Everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA. I own Choice Tax Relief. We help folks who owe the IRS or their state at least $10,000. Mako wants to know what happens to your tax debt. Are you still liable for your tax debt if you leave the country? And the answer to that question, Mako, is absolutely, positively yes. You are still liable for the tax debt that you had, even if you leave the country. And if you're a citizen, even if you live abroad, you are still obligated to the United States to file a tax return and to pay tax on your worldwide income. Now, there are things like the foreign earned income exclusion. There are things like the foreign tax credits that can make it the case that you really don't owe that much tax at all. But that's kind of getting off point here. I think your question is about tax debt you incurred while living in the US, and then you go live somewhere else. What happens? You still owe it, believe it or not. And some people think that they're gonna run the IRS's 10-year clock out simply by going abroad. That's not the case. There are rules in place that the IRS has where it can essentially pause its 10-year clock from running for the duration of time that a taxpayer is abroad. Yes, it's true. It can do that, and we have seen it do that. Another thing to keep in mind is your passport. We have so many people calling us here at Choice Tax Relief who had a lot of tax debt. They had a valid passport when they left the country. Now they want to come back, right, to the US, and their passport's expired, and they go to renew. Oh, but what happened? The IRS certified their tax debt to the State Department as seriously delinquent, and now until they deal with that tax debt, State Department will not renew their passport. I think I created a whole video about that. You can check that out, link at the top of the screen. Anyway, long story short, Mako, you do not escape your tax debt by going abroad. And if you or someone you know or anyone out there has tax debt while abroad or while living in the United States, please feel free to give us a call at Choice Tax Relief. You qualify for a free consultation if you owe at least $10,000 in back tax debt or you have multiple years of unfiled tax returns. 866-8000-TAX, 866-8000-829, or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the homepage, and we will reach out to you. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.